Welcome to Tick to Loot Weekly Market Summary. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Markets carry risk. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any trading decisions. Let's take a quick look at the key releases that shaped the market conversation this week. First up, Japan's bank lending year-over-year figure was forecast at 5.7%, matching the prior period. The impact rating is low, and the actual number has not been released yet. The Bank of Japan's Summary of Opinions also came with a low impact rating. No specific forecast or previous value was published, and the data is still pending. Japan's current account was expected to narrow to 2.50 trillion yen, down from 3.06 trillion yen in the prior period. Again, the market view rates this as low impact, and the actual figure has not yet arrived. The Economy Watcher's Sentiment Index for Japan was forecast at 44.6, a slight rise from 44.0 previously. The release is low impact, and the final number is still pending. In the euro area, the Sentix Investor Confidence Indicator was projected at -0.7, improving from -3.1 in the prior reading. The impact rating remains low, and the actual data is not out yet. Overall, the week's economic releases were low impact, showing modest shifts in sentiment and a potential slowdown in Japan's current account. With most actual numbers still pending, market participants are likely watching for any surprises. Turning to headlines, the Trump administration announced new tariffs of up to 100% on certain drone imports, citing national security concerns. The tariff structure is tiered, targeting militarily sensitive drones and components. Analysts note that such a steep tariff could pressure aerospace and technology equities that rely on imported drone components, while also reshaping supply chain dynamics for defense contractors. Higher tariffs add a geopolitical layer to market risk sentiment, potentially encouraging safe haven flows into assets like the Japanese yen or Swiss franc, though the effect will depend on how the broader trade environment evolves. In summary, this week featured low-impact economic data with modest sentiment changes, alongside a notable policy move on drone imports that could influence risk appetite and sector exposure. Looking ahead, there are no major scheduled releases on the calendar for the coming week. Keep an eye on upcoming central bank meetings and corporate earnings for fresh market drivers. Remember, the information shared here is educational only. Always conduct your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any decisions. Thanks for watching Tick to Loot. If you found this summary helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly market insights.